Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech TV. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to archive Telegram chat. So keep watching the video till the end to learn how, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming update from us. If you want to tuck away your emails and messages that you might need at some point in the future, then you can easily archive a text message. So to do that, let's jump right into the video. Tap open your Telegram application and make sure you're logged into it. Once you are, choose the chat, thread, or conversation that you wish to archive from the main home page. Once you spot it, swipe the conversation thread towards the left-hand side and you'll be able to archive a text message. If you'd like to access to an archived chat, you can tap the archived chats option at the very top of this page and all of your archived conversation will be displayed. And if you'd like to unarchive them, simply swipe towards the left-hand side one more time, and that is how you can unarchive an archived chat. Quick and easy. If you ever find your Telegram application is probably overflowing with chats and message threads, then this is the great option to begin with. That is how you can easily archive a chat or conversation on Telegram. I hope the tutorial was helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more tutorial videos like this. Thanks for watching.